lovely peoples, it's Odette here. Welcome back to today's video. Hope you guys are doing super awesome and wonderful today. Thank you for watching and thank you for tuning in. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you guys my summer faves, things that I'm really enjoying this summer. It's a mixture of things, so we're just going to get right into the video. The first thing we're going to talk about is this selfie stick. Now, before we get into it, I have my phone here. And I posted a picture on Instagram. Let me show you guys a picture right here. I was laying on my bed. This is the selfie stick in my hand. So I don't usually get a lot of comments on my posts, but I get a lot of DMs from people. And a lot of people were asking, is that a selfie stick you got in your hands? And yes, ma'am, I do. And all those people who were DMing me about the selfie stick, I hope you're watching this video. Okay? So this is a selfie stick here. It's from Amazon, and here is the packaging. Okay, let me just take this out for you guys. This is the selfie stick. Of course, this is where your phone will go in this little section right here. And of course, you can pivot this however you want. You can pull this down for as long or short or however you want it. This comes with a remote control, which is right here. You can take this off if you want. This is it. This is the remote control. And it just lives right in the center of the selfie stick. Another good feature about this selfie stick is that it has a ring light attached to this. Okay, it comes with a ring light. You may not be able to see it, but this is the ring light. Here you do have a little button to the top. I'm not quite sure if you can see it. Twice the light comes on, twice it goes brighter, twice it comes off. Beautiful. So we all know how to put your phone on your selfie stick. So I'm just going to put my phone on. And I'm just going to put my camera on as well. I'm just going to take the selfie stick out. Okay. And I'm just going to hold my selfie like that so you guys can see. And let's just take a picture. Let's just take another picture. You're going to save that one. Let's do another one. Let's just save it, and we're just gonna do one more. I'm just gonna bring it a little further out, and we're just gonna take another picture, and there would be it. This is a remote control right here. You can hide this in your hand, you can put it down, you can do whatever you want. And I'm just gonna show you guys quickly the pictures that I just took on my phone. And these are the pictures I just took with the selfie stick. There we go. It is so neat. It is so cute. Very, very, very lightweight. And of course, again, the remote control just lives right in the center of it. And you can put this on your table. Again, let me just put my phone back in the holder. Just like so. And you can just put this on the table. You can put it wherever you want. You can keep your selfie light on. And then you can just start filming your videos. And there it be. Those are my photographs on my phone. Okay. And you can put the ring light on, and then you can just start being girly and just do your thing. Okay. I absolutely love that. So the next thing we're going to talk about is this diffuser. And I got this from Sephora. This is called French Cade Lavender. This smells so nice. When you walk into my home, you get this beautiful smell of something, and it smells so nice. People always tell me, every time I walk into your home, I just want to stay here. It smells so nice because, you know, my home is so welcoming. And this is the diffuser right here. Oh my God. This smells beautiful. This is the packaging, and this is what it looks like. Okay. And I do love the little design on the bottle right here. It is so amazing, from Sephora, guys. Please get this from Sephora. It's called French Cade Lavender. Hope you guys can see the name of it right there. Let me just come close. There we be. Okay. Get this from Sephora. It is so pretty. It smells so nice. If you don't want to have the full smell of this, you can use half of the sticks, but I put them all in, so then when you walk in, you get this beautiful smell, and it's so calming, so relaxing. It is such an amazing scent, and I recommend that for you guys. I love diffusers that really helps to lighten up the senses, help your brain to relax, help your mind to relax, because, you know, I am out sometimes practically every single day, and when I come home I just want to feel that sense of calmness. And when you get that hint of of lavender in your nose, you just feel just relaxed, and it's a really, really good scent. That again is from Sephora, and everything we talk about today I am going to leave in the description box for you guys. So this is a beautiful ring. I'm just gonna bring that close for you guys. I got this little ring from Old Navy. Okay, that's the front of it. That's the front of it. And this is the back, or maybe this is the front, whatever you want to call it. This is so pretty and girly, and I love the way this makes my hand look. Very, very, very simple. And I don't like to wear too many jewelry on my hand, but if I have to wear something, it has to be very dainty, very girly, and I love this. Again, this is from Old Navy. This is very, very, very pretty. And another one of my favorite jewelry, I cannot tell you exactly where I got this from because this was gifted to me. And I'm just going to show you guys, and you've seen this already in a couple of videos. And this is this beautiful black stone, and the ring here is stretchy, so it's not going to hurt your fingers. It's very, very comfortable. And I do like that teardrop kind of feeling, kind of look that you get. It is very, very, very pretty. It's a beautiful black stone. Love it. And I do have another one. Two of them were given to me when I was living in London by somebody, and they traveled from somewhere in Dubai. So I'm hoping these is worth like $1 million or something like that, okay? I don't think so. This is a beautiful blue stone. Here it is. This is the other one. And this is more of an oval shape. And again, the band is very, very stretchy. And here it is. Okay, beautiful, gorgeous rings. I absolutely love it. I mean, you can even wear this on this finger as well. What do you call that, your index finger? Okay, you can even wear this one on here. It looks so good. And I'm just going to put this one on this finger. So pretty. These are my joy. They make me so happy. They make your hands look so good. Absolutely gorgeous. This one here I will leave in the description box. Like I said, this one is from Old Navy, but these two, they were gifted to me. I mean, if you can find these or similar someplace else, go right ahead, but I'm not quite sure where these are from. This person was visiting from Dubai, from the Emirates, and they came into London several times, and when they came back again, they bought me this gift. It was these rings, and they got me, I think it was a cup and a beautiful, I think it was a placemat, and I still have those things, you know, because, you know, wherever I go to work, people always give me things all the time. These are really, really pretty. Next, we are going to talk about this gorgeous lipstick I'm wearing right now. This is from Miss Fenty Beauty, and this is called Girl Master, and this is a beautiful brick shade. Let me just show you guys. This is a little packaging right here. And I love the Fenty Beauty lipsticks because it's not very big, it's nice and small, and you can finish this lipstick in a year. Okay, this is a beautiful packaging right here. Very, very neat. The cover of the lipstick is plastic, and this is what I'm wearing. It is a beautiful brick shade. Oh, I would even say terracotta. I do love terracotta shades lipsticks on dark skin. And this is a matte lipstick, but it's nice and soft, and it feels so good. I mean, this is everybody friendly, dark skin friendly. Anybody can wear this lipstick. It is just so, so pretty. Yeah, it's called Girl Master, I think it is it? Oh, Girl Master. It's such a pretty lipstick. Absolutely love it. Let me do a little swatch on my hand for you guys. Beautiful. I mean, look at that. It is gorgeous. It feels so nice and soft on. I mean, I just love this lipstick from Fenty Beauty. And of course, everything we talk about is going to be down in the description box for you guys. Now, let's talk about this bag. I don't think I've ever shown you guys this bag before. If I have, that's okay. This bag is from Aldo. This is a beautiful red bag, but it's not a fire engine red. I adore this bag so much. You do have the little padlock detail right here, just for fashion. And of course, you do have the little tassel hanging here as well, and it's like a leather, just to make this bag look so sweet. And of course, you do have the beautiful handles. It doesn't have any feet to the bottom, But this bag is absolutely gorgeous. It's a good size, and you can wear this as a crossbody as well. On your shoulders, you do have the extra strap at the inside. I've worn the hell out of this bag since I got it. Oh my god, and the compliments I get with this bag is amazing. Of course, you just put it on your arms like that. And here is the inside of the bag, okay? You do have a beautiful section right here. Look at how far I'm putting my hands in. It's really, really deep. And you can put all of your phones and your wallets and stuff like that in here just to keep it nice and safe. And this is the inside of the bag, and you do have a hook on this side to hook it in, and of course you do have a hook on the other side to hook this bag in for safety, for privacy, for security. And there you go. This is so pretty. Love this bag so much. I've worn this bag, like I said, so many times for the summertime. Check out Aldo, and I think, if I'm not mistaken, they do have some sales going on at the moment. It is very, very, very pretty. Love this. I mean, look at how wonderful this looks. Just looking at the bag, I'm just looking at myself in my side mirror, side view right here. It is just so pretty. Very classy, very girly, very modern. And it's good for the everyday woman. If you're going to work, you want to go to play, you're going to a movie, a date night, whatever it is. It is so lovely from Aldo, A-L-D-O, you know, the Aldo shoe company. And this is a bag that is just solidly made. It is just so firm and solid. Absolutely love this. It is gorgeous. And of course, I'm going to leave that in the description box for you guys. So the next thing we're going to talk about is this perfume. I showed you guys this before. This is from Old Navy. This is called Sea Salt and Fig. And I'm going to tell you something, guys. If you don't get this perfume, I'm never going to speak to you again. You have to get this. This is so pretty. The scent of this is amazing. It wakes you up. It makes you feel good. Makes you feel fresh. It is such an amazing perfume. Here it is. Hope you guys can see that. Okay. And I picked up another one from Old Navy. This one is called Cotton Flower and Shea. Here it is. It is so pretty. And I'm going to spray this on my hand. And I'm going to tell you guys. But you can mix both if you want. Oh. Can we just move on already to the other thing that I want to talk about? Can we just move on already? Oh my god. This is so pretty. I mean, these two guys, if you have Old Navy in your neighborhood, run to Old Navy. Get these. Here they are. Very, very, very pretty. Small enough to travel with on a holiday, on a vacation, on a cruise. They are so, so lovely. The smell will just attract bees to you. Bees in the form of a man, I'm hoping. Just kidding. But they are pretty. Smell is amazing. Again, it's going to be down below for you guys. The next thing we are going to talk about, my lovelies, are these shoes. I've shown you guys these shoes before. These are from Shea. These are beautiful mule sandals. And of course you can see the toe, the toe prints to the top. That's because I've worn the hell out of these shoes. I've shown you guys these ones before. I mean, look at the gorgeous heel. It's velvet. I mean, look at the back, because I've worn it before, because I always like to clean my shoes whenever I wear them. And again, you can see all the toe prints, but this is such a beautiful red sandals. It's a different shade of red to this bag, because this has a little bit more of a bluish undertone. But this, the inside of this, I mean, look at that, guys. It's like sponge. This again is from Shea. If I find the link for you guys, it's going to be down below. And the compliments I get from this shoe every time I wear it, it is amazing. I mean, guys, I can't remember, I can't even count the days that I've worn these shoes. I've worn them regularly. And again, really, really comfortable. The heel is not too high. This is a size 6 UK size, which I think is a 39 if you're looking on the website. But it is so pretty, so beautiful, so gorgeous. And again, it goes with anything. But I would not recommend that you just casually wear these. Don't, you know, you're going to dress these sandals up because they are so sexy, they're so beautiful, and they are gorgeous mule sandals. They are so absolutely pretty. Very nice, my loves. I hope you guys had a chance to get on Shea and pick these things up, because they are absolutely awesome. Really, really pretty. There we go. And the last thing we're going to talk about is this Nymph Nectar. And this came in a beauty box. And I'm going to tell you something, guys. This product. I don't even know how to begin to describe this. Now this is like a mask you can use on your face, and you can also use this as a treatment. Let me bring this as close as I can for you guys so you can see what this is, but I'm going to leave this in the description box for you guys. You can use this as an overnight skincare treatment. So I would finish my skincare routine at night, okay? I am not going to put on any moisturizer or any toner on my skin. When I'm finished with my facial wash and I come out from the shower, I put this on my skin and I just leave it on. It has little granules in it. When I put this on my skin, let me just bring that a little closer so you guys can see. It has little granules on it. So when I put this all over my face, I just take my facial cloth and I just wipe the little granules away. And when you wake up in the morning, your skin is like butter. I'm not kidding. Your skin is like butter. Your skin feels so soft. And I woke up one morning and I thought, oh my God, why does my skin feel so soft? I have to tell you guys, one of my favorite, and I use this sparingly. I just use a little bit goes a long way. Just take your time and you massage this all over your face. Just avoid the eye area, just under the chin. Don't go to the décolleté area. This is for the face. Just all over the face gently, and again wipe off the little granules and leave this on your skin overnight. And I'm telling you something, you'll be shocked. And if this doesn't work for you, or if this doesn't give you the same results like I'm talking about, just leave me a comment and say, Odette, don't be talking crap on your YouTube channel. This is incredible. Again, let me show it to you. Okay, it's going to be down in the description box for you guys, and this is the inside. As you can see, I have been using this, but again, like I said, a little bit of this goes a very long way. And on that note, my lovely peoples, this is the end of the video, and I do hope you guys enjoy everything we talk about today. And I know you guys are going to be running to Amazon to get this selfie stick. I know you're going to be going to Amazon right now to get this selfie stick. It is really cute. Love it. And of course, everything we talk about in today's video, I'm going to leave everything in the description box for you guys. And if you want to get a beautiful classic bag, just run to Aldo, get this bag. It is really cute. You can wear this bag in the spring, summer, winter, any season. You can wear this bag. It is so cute. It looks very good on anything that you wear. Casual to dressy to mid-tone dressing. It will really add a lot to your style. So my loves, thank you guys so much for watching. Again, I hope you enjoyed today's video, and everything we talk about is going to be down in the description box for you guys. My name is Odette. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Doodles!